All right, guys, good morning. As you can see, we're tearing it up right now. I'm a little tired this morning. It's 9:30 and we're tearing it up. We're extending 2 areas on this project. Then we're resurfacing over top of the blacktop. And then going from there, Miguel went for a load of stone this morning and he's back now. He's gonna go dump the dirt, go get asphalt, and smile while we do it. Right now, we're gonna go check a job. You wanna ride?
I have already scheduled a couple jobs for next week. I was thinking we may be able to fit like a small job in on Monday and a small job in on Friday.
Yes.
Or did you want me to just completely move each job to next week?
Do what the first option you just said.
Okay, perfect. Well, I will get on calling everybody and letting them know.
Did you send the invoice deposit for the project?
I did, yeah.
And did you send it to Liam or did you send it to John?
I sent it to Linda.
Yeah, that's who I mean.
Yeah,
awesome.
I sent it to Linda.
Thanks, Jenna.
Yeah, of course, not a problem.
Bye.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, it says my ETA is 10:09.
Okay, no, that's perfect.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it.
Man, Mike's. Gotcha, brother. See you soon.
See you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
All right, guys, I'm going to meet a client right now. They don't want us to film the project, but it's not a big deal. We're going out. I'm going to give them an estimate. I'll explain what we do there and have a good time while we do it. All right, guys, we just checked that job. It was a big job. It was like 900 square feet, and he wanted an asphalt curb to keep the water from going off to the side. It washed out all of his dirt, so he's asking me to put a berm, curb, whatever it is, to keep the water flowing down his driveway. Gave him a price, and then on top of it, he asked me to repave his whole driveway, like 10,000 square feet. Gave him a price on that, and we'll see what he does. I don't know if you're gonna get it, but you give it a shot. You just keep on going. I put it in Jobber, shout out Jobber, sent him a quote, and now all the customer gotta do is click 2 buttons to accept it or decline it, or if he accepts it, he puts a credit card in, gives me a deposit, boom, bada bam, simple as that. He gets scheduled, and then we roll from there. That's what's nice about Jobber, shout out Jobber. And now we're going to Fred Beams. I got big news. I'm going to buy a new 1-ton. I ordered back in April when we paid Fred Beams, so now we're heading there. Let's check this sucker out, make this deal happen, laugh and smile as we do it. Today's a good day, and the guys are paving as we speak. Let's go. All right, guys, we just pulled up. This is the truck I'm getting. F600, boys. Big boy. Diesel. Pretty bad, eh? Lot of dinero. Got it all nice and cleaned up. Look how shiny this sucker is. Nice big body. I think it got a ladder on it. All right, I'm gonna walk in. Let's walk in. Let's get this sucker signed. Yeah, it's a bad A truck.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Your dad was like,
Yeah, it is. It's a bad truck.
plow off like it's a sports car.
Yeah, it's a good looking truck. Do you want to do the
It's all
little...
being filmed too?
Yeah, that's cool. Is that cool?
It's all good, man.
All right, guys, this is it. I'm gonna just show you what it got. This is a special body here. Came with a ladder. That's what I wanted specifically. I'll tell you why in a sec if I can get this pin out. There you go. We got a ladder here. Climb up. So if I need to get into bed, I can get into bed. That's easy. It's very nice and convenient because I don't want the guy stepping on the tire and then stepping on this. If that happens, it damages the body paint. We want this sucker shining for as long as we can. We try to keep everything clean as possible. That's why we got this ladder here. What else is nice? There's a backup camera here. This is an XLT model. So it got a nice big screen in the dash. We got a backup camera. That's awesome for people that can't use mirrors. We also got a chute. This is nice for asphalt. If we don't want to unlock it and we just want a little stream of asphalt coming down to do a patch, that's nice. Locked it just like that. This hitch, we got a nice hitch. We got a nice toolbox here. If we have any tools, anything we can't fit inside the truck, we put it in here. That's it. We got a big plow on it. The plow ain't on it right now, but I got a big 10-foot plow for when I plow. This is a plow package truck. This is the best truck you can get just because we're the best paving paving company we are. XLT 600, we'll start it up, show them the insides. Boom, baby. All clean, fresh, start it up. F600, got a body here, look at this. Look at that, raising that body up. That's what's nice. And then this here, we got a plow thing, controls the plow. Hit these buttons, make it go left, right, float, turn it on. And then we only got one switch activated, it's the plow lights. We got an electric bed. We could have got a PTO bed, but I had electric bed on my other 1-ton, worked perfectly fine, so I went back to it. As you can see, I got a nice big screen. That's for people that want to jam out, listen to some music. Got awesome speakers. The seats though, fabric. I'm gonna have to get some seat covers because it gets a little smelly in there, so we're gonna have to put some seat covers. That's it, it's the best truck you can get. Hey Jenna. All right, now we're going in. We're gonna sign this deal up, spend all my money. Nice truck, I'm happy, satisfied. We got my boy Dave, he's gonna be my sales rep. He's the best salesman in Fred Beans. If you need anything, you call him. What a dealership. All right, now we're talking, Dave.
All right, so what do you
Had a
live your whole
conversation.
life being filmed, man.
Yeah.
You're like a movie star. Here, here.
I'll do some highlights.
You don't want to film this paperwork, dude. You got to be careful. You're gonna have to do some correct creative editing. and
Just
stuff.
tell him to blur it out.
I'm so glad this truck finally came in.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for waiting.
Thank you, Dave.
It's an awesome truck. Man.
Yeah, it's a bad A truck. We took a look at it, checked everything out. Everything looked awesome.
Right, well-
Showed the guys on the video, they loved it.
It's,
And I guess we're gonna start working this out, right?
It's pretty much all worked out. Basically, you're approved. No problems there. The Ford loves you guys buying all these trucks over the years. I want you to know that you've got the strongest small truck out there. With the F600, you went for the race car version.
Yeah, it's a bad A truck. XLT too.
Oh yeah, you got the chrome wheels. Like you want. Very good. And it'll tow like more than you ever could possibly want to tow.
That's what I
with
like
that
to
diesel
hear.
engine. So
How much GVWs does it got?
It says on the back you can tow 16,000 pounds.
All right, that's
and you can have a
good.
2,000 pound tow weight, which is much like
Much
my
needed.
F-150 only can handle 500 tongue weight. You can handle a ton of tongue weight.
All right.
So go get whatever you want.
Yeah, so
go
I
buy
like
your
to-
next toy. Right? So I'm gonna have you sign a few things. You can tow big equipment. You can plow with this for your business.
All
You're
right.
good to go along all those lines.
That's good to know.
Here's your buyer's order.
All right. That's awesome.
And again, we finance with Ford because you got a long credit with them. And,
Yeah,
you know,
Ford's
they-
awesome. Treat me well for a long time.
So we thank you very much for all
All
that. So why don't you go home and get the heaviest piece of equipment and climb a hill, and you'll know that this is the right truck. for you.
Yeah, I think it is. It's all diesel motor. I had the gas one.
So let's talk about your line of clothing.
All right. Yeah, you want one? You want me to get you some tearing it up merch?
I could use a tearing it up T-shirt.
All right, I'll
Can I
get
wear
you.
it fishing? It counts
Yeah.
for tearing it up fishing, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm down with that.
It's tearing it up. You gotta tear it up, Dave. Just like how you tear up sales
Tearing
here.
up some firewood.
Yeah.
And, it's,
I appreciate it, Dave. And if you guys ever need anything, you call Dave
oh,
up
by
over
the
at
way,
Fred Beans.
This man here and his company did our entire parking lot.
They
this
know
year,
that. They
and
seen
they've
the
got
video.
Rave reviews. Hopefully, this is like snowballing into more Fred Beans
Yeah.
gigs around the land, which would be great for everybody.
Yeah.
Because if they all get a new parking lot, maybe I get to sell you a few more trucks.
Yeah.
I've been selling his dad trucks since he was like 10, and now he's the man at the business, and he's still buying for me, and I'm very flattered by that.
Yeah, bought a
Very-
lot of stuff
very
from him.
happy about that.
They,
Yep.
they treat me right here, and they'll treat you right.
Thank you.
Just like that, bought the truck. Now we're going back. We're gonna get this sucker loaded, get it going. Time to tear it up this fall time. About summer's over now, about 99 degrees. The end of summer here coming up. And we got this little 1-ton. I'm gonna load this up, do all my little stuff, tow my equipment, patch it, and enjoy it. Hey, Jenna.
Hey,
Let's get going.
You know, he said he's not going to be at the property, but he'll be able to be home around 3 p.m. Maybe we can get to him like later in the afternoon, do his job, and at least start it in the late afternoon so he can be there, and then we'll...
All right, no problem.
All right, cool.
Thanks,
Well,
Jenna.
just want to let you know everything was good, so call your dad and let him know.
Thanks, Jenna. Bye.
Yep, talk to you later. Bye.
Yo,
Yo,
yeah, what job is that, the patches?
remember that he's got two houses. They're across the street from each other. It's got mill and pave them. It's like 300 square feet, I think. So it's small.
All right. Well, I don't need to mill it. Can I saw cut it and just rip it out and put a blacktop?
Yeah.
All right. Do you got
Yeah,
that?
let me.
Can you send me the address?
Yeah, it's our last text message group from July 8th.
All right.
300 square feet. Oh no, it's more than that. But you said you do it $1,800.
All right. If that's what I said, that's what I said.
Yeah. So just let me know. Let me know. Just go back in our text. It's the last messages before the one you sent me yesterday.
All right. I'll try to get there this week with it. It might be in next week.
All right. No, that's fine. Just give me a heads up. That's all.
All right. And then that job I texted you, I didn't call him or nothing. That's just a lead that I got, and I didn't feel like looking at it. If you want to talk to him, you can talk to him.
Yeah, I'll call them. I usually just sub it out. So usually when they hear the price to resurface it, they usually just go with replacing it.
Yeah, well, that's just a lead. I ain't talked to him. I ain't done nothing with him. So if you want to talk to him, it's up to you.
All right. Yeah, I'll give him a shout. I'll let you know.
Thanks, Tom. See you.
All right, brother. Thanks.
What else makes this truck so nice is that you don't need your CDLs to drive this. Me, I got my CDL, so I can drive whatever I want to drive. But say a regular person with just driver's license, they can drive it without a trailer on it. And I don't know about it being loaded. I don't think they're supposed to have it loaded. I don't know that. But if they needed to, they can drive it. It's a very easy pickup to drive, but they got to be experienced to drive it because it is a new truck. But I'm going to be driving it for a good bit. Brother Eddie's going to drive it. And that's about what I'm doing with it. We're enjoying it. Just did it by hand. That ain't nothing like Red Bull.
Better.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Give me the power. I got it.
There.
That's how you do it.
Well, that's all the favors doing. Always a skid loader, Mike. We don't need no skid loader. Always a skid loader. También pendejo, güey. What's that sound? Check that out.
Out here just did say about a 50, 60 ton job probably. Job went pretty smooth as you can see. Prepped the area, rolled, got some stone put in, asphalt on the top. Pretty easy job. Took us a little bit of time, a lot of shoveling, but we got it done. It looks good. Ready to get it done, baby. Tear it up.
What's up, guys? We just got finished paving that job. It was small, but it was a little difficult. Everybody's good to go. It was a hot one. Now I'm in the AC with this truck here. I feel good. We had to lay that last part by hand, so it was a little tedious. Got everybody working on the shovel and the loop, but now we're just gonna go to this next job. We got the new 1 ton back there and laid that with the Lee Boy 1000, and we're good to go. Let's do it.
Good afternoon, y'all. My name is Espinoza. We did a nice short little job right here. Not too big, pretty easy. It is nice and hot out. It's humid. That's a big challenge for the guys, especially with the asphalt, making a lot of heat. But other than that, all we had to do is just go from there, go down, then go to the side with the paver, then same again, go down. Pretty easy. My job is just a hand tamp, so all I had to do was just the edges. Not too bad. All they had to do is just grade a nice slope, and that's about it.
I seen you text it. Yes, I'm gonna ride. We're going there now. We're gonna finish your job today. And I got a video camera out there. I'm gonna video it. Is it all right if I video it and post it on my YouTube?
Yeah, man, of course, dude. That's good with me, man. Showed a good job that you're gonna do.
All right, thank you, bub.
You got it, brother. Let me know if you need anything. I'll call my wife now and tell her to clear everything out.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. See you, brother.
Bye.
Yeah, Michael.
Yeah, you're good to go. Get loaded, baby.
All right. You remember that fuse that blew out when we were at the Ford dealer?
Yeah.
Yeah, it blew out again.
Ah, shit. So do
But
you?
I have spare fuses, so I put one in and we're good to go.
I wonder why that keeps blowing. That ain't good.
I have no idea.
That's not
I have
good.
no idea, but I remember when I went to, I was right at the intersection, and I'm like, I can't get it into neutral. I mean, or out of neutral. You know, it had like X's where the shift pattern should be.
Yeah.
So I went, oh, this sounds familiar. I shut it off. Tried to get started. It wouldn't start. I looked and that green thing was on the one thing. I said, I know what that is.
Yeah.
I went in there and changed the fuse out. I keep a whole thing of fuses with me now.
Good. But that ain't
Yeah,
good
so-
that it keeps blowing. Does that mean there's something wrong with it?
It's a possibility. Something's over. I mean, with the heat we've been having and stuff, maybe I don't know.
I don't
but,
know.
It's not good that it's in that battery area either. So
We need to, next time we bring it in, we really should just tell them to take a look at that. Really? Or what do you?
Well, to be honest with you, that would be okay. So so next time it goes in for something, we'll have to.
All right, Grace. Well, be safe. Let me know if you need anything.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good, Michael.
Thanks,
That's why
Grace.
I said I stopped and got a bunch of different size fuses so that I had them just in case.
And you got the address. It's in Aston. It's the job we got ready Thursday. Thanks.
We'll talk to you later. Yeah,
Thanks, Reese.
18 coming up.
Bye. I'll give you guys a little tip. This is how you throw a shovel. There's a lot of new guys that come and go, and they don't know how to throw a shovelful. Look at this. That's how you throw a perfect shovel through. You throw it up, and then you drop your shovel, and it comes out perfect. It's not coming out spread. You'd be surprised how many people don't know that. And then you got this like that. That's a little flick. It spreads it out. Chilongo don't know that. I'll drive. Angie. Angie, go back over it. Well, it's only poquito aquí. This is high. Don't go down. This needs to come up. Roll it. Yeah, 2 layers. Did you put diesel? Yeah, the big roller just broke. I think the line snapped for the handle. Let me figure this out. Go ahead. Where is it at? Did it snap?
Yeah, the snap is...
What is it?
Maybe no more. Maybe it broke. I don't know.
What is it? It's that cable.
Yeah.
There's a cable.
Cut it off.
And it snapped. It snapped before on the whacker. Easy. You're full in there, you're full there. This will do it the whole thing. Raise it up, Ed. He's so crazy. He's crazy. He's so crazy when asphalt gets here. Woo! guys, job's all complete. Everything's perfect. The water flows and we're happy. And we're on to the next. That's it for today. You see me tear it up today. And then also, jobber made this really easy to do because this job wasn't on schedule today, but they needed this done ASAP. Guess what we did? We moved some things around. Jobber made it very easy for it to happen. And thank you, Jobber. I recommend it.
All right, good evening, y'all. I'm Espinoza again, over here on the second job we did today. By the looks of it, it looks nice. We did have like a big hiccup where the roller just wanted to kill itself, and then we had to fix it like super quick. But honestly about it, that was the only hard part. And then all we did was just start there, pull the paver down, then start here, pull the paver down. Again, my only job is just a hand tamp, so my only concerns are just to do the wall right here, and then do the driveway entrance. That's about it. I do the edging too. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment.